G'day everyone, it's Chris O again. Life's wonderful, isn't it? Here we've got a niche about to happen. So I'll let you know in a sec. I'll just put this camera on my head and we'll be laughing. See you in a minute. Yo! Right, what I'm doing, people, is everything is coming today. The bath, the vanity, and so on. Tiles have just arrived. The measurement of the bath is 800, so I'm allowing, there's 800 there. I'm allowing 50 mil. This is a little bit squeezy, so I'm allowing minimal distances. The bath is a little bit wider than I thought. It's coming out a bit of a splay. So 800 it comes out of, allowed 850. So it'll be fairly close against the wall. Little bit of room, 50 mil between the bath and the vanity. And the vanity is 900 long. So off that mark we go 900, which is there. See that? 900 there. That's the vanity. I don't think I've allowed enough for that. I need to put another piece of timber against that, because where are we? Come out off that line. 900 is there. If my glass is there at 950, and then I want it the same distance as that. This is for my niche, so I'll put another piece of timber up there. We'll be laughing. Yep, that's cool. Okay, that's easy peasy. Right, my height. The top of my floor is going to be 40 mil. I'm having a strip drain or a linear drain, whatever you like to call it, whatever country you live in, it doesn't matter. So, or call it a long drain if you want. Right, okay, long drain, strip drain, linear drain, who cares? I'm going to have a 40 mil finished height to the top of my tile, because the strip drain or linear drain, I need the room for my fall, because I'm going to be falling it. So if it's about there, I come out 1200, which is where my boot is. That's where I want it falling, to my waist. So as you walk in the door, it'll be falling from here down, which is cool. Cool bananas. You wait till I start doing it, you'll see what I mean. Right, so I've got 30 mil of mud and 10 mil for my tile, so that's 40 mil. Come up 1240, which is there. Go down a little bit, leave myself a little bit of room. I've got my cement sheet going on top of that, so I've got about 8 mil clearance, which is cool. I go off that line 320 because I want it in a tile size. So go a little bit more than 300 because I'm going horizontal with my tiles. I go a little bit more than 300. So 320 odd, which is there. throw that away, it's running out of ink. So I need to come up 45 mil. Which is there, because my piece of timber will be going through there. So that's where I cut it, right there. I knock that one out, and I'll put another one through at that height, another piece of timber on there to bring it across. That'll be my niche done. Just running through that again, people. If you didn't quite get it the first time, stop my video, play it back, watch it again, and then smash that subscribe button, even if it takes 2 fingers or your whole fist. Just smash the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and you're able to watch more videos and learn. And that's what I'm out to do, is to teach you people. We'll run through this again. My floor height is going to be 40 mil. My tile modules are 300. A mil and a half is neither here nor there. So 1240, I need to be up 1240, then come down a little. So I'm coming down to that plate. I go off that mark there, 320, which gives me a little bit of wiggle room at the top. I can easily just fill it in with tiles, it doesn't matter. I can pack it down, bring it down with tiles, and you know, inside, just to bring my head down. Easy peasy. So I'm cutting it through there. I hope I don't go through that nail. I'm cutting it through there, that's allowing for my plate. So come up 1200 plus your floor height is 1240 off your bare concrete, and come down say 10 mil, so 1230. That's your exact. And then go off 1240, go up 320. You've got it, folks, you've got it. We'll see you soon. I'll just zap the skill saw through these studs and I'll come back. See ya.